In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on eBay. This super simple trick can make shopping more convenient and tailored to your personal preferences. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to scroll to the bottom of any eBay page. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile device, just glide your way down until you reach the footer, which is basically the bottom part of the eBay site. Now, it might seem like a simple step, but it's important to give yourself a moment to take a look at what's there. You'll find various options for contacting customer support, navigating to different sections, and changing settings, which can be incredibly useful. Now, for our next move, we're specifically looking for the currency selector. Once you've reached the bottom of the page, start by glancing around to spot a section that deals with money, payment, or region settings. It might be labeled a little differently depending on your location. Keep an eye out for something resembling a globe or currency symbol. This is where the action really happens. The currency selector is your gateway to view eBay listings in a way that makes the most sense to you financially. After locating the currency selector, give it a click. This is a crucial part because it opens up a list of different currencies available on eBay. Don't rush through this step. The drop-down menu might have more options than you may initially realize. Take a moment to scroll through and see the vast array of choices from dollars to euros to yen and many others. It's all about finding the one that suits you best. The next step is to choose your preferred currency. You might have a particular currency in mind, or maybe you're deciding based on where you're planning to shop or the latest exchange rates. Just click on your chosen currency when you're ready. This selection helps you better understand pricing without doing mental conversions. It takes the guesswork out of buying and can help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Finally, right after you select your currency, the page will reload. You'll notice that all the prices across the site now reflect the currency choice you've made. This quick refresh ensures that every listing you view from now on displays prices in your desired currency, making your shopping experience seamless and personalized. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward way to change the currency on eBay and enhance your online shopping experience. Always remember, a few simple clicks can make all the difference in ensuring clarity and ease while browsing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!